CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.2 Given a scenario, use the appropriate Microsoft command line tool. Format. The format command, while it has a few functional overlaps with the previously discussed diskpart command, serves a more focused purpose. While diskpart primarily manages disk-related tasks like creating, deleting, and resizing partitions, the format command is designed for erasing data and setting up a new file system on a disk. More specifically, the format command can wipe a disk clean and set it up so that it can store files. Think of it like clearing and organizing a new storage area. Before you can use the area to store items efficiently, you need to remove any old clutter and set it up properly. The format command does this for your disks by erasing existing data and creating a file system structure that your computer can use to read and write files to. If you want to wipe and set up a USB drive, making it ready to store new files, you can use the format command. Imagine you have a USB drive labeled as Drive E, and you want to format it using the NTFS file system. Here's what you do: open the command prompt and type this command, format E://fs:/NTFS. Once you run this command and follow the prompts, the USB drive will be wiped clean and set up with the NTFS file system. Just remember, formatting will erase any data currently on the drive. In summary, while diskpart provides comprehensive disk management capabilities, format is the go-to command for the specific task of preparing disks by erasing data and setting up a new file system. This makes it particularly useful for repurposing disks, installing new operating systems, and changing file systems, ensuring your storage is clean and ready for use. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.